Two great news: new master level for certifications in Aspen Tech software and free certification exam. We're so happy that finally Aspen Tech heard our wishes of having a more experienced level on certifications, let it be for Aspen Plus and HYSYS. So this is the blog post right here, and it's essentially talking about the new Aspen HYSYS Master User Certification, and they are focusing in two main points: petroleum refining and upstream and safety applications. There will be many ways in which you can learn about the software, either by experience, via a mentor, by any other academic institution, or more importantly, directly with the vendor, in this case, Aspen Tech. Now, before there were only two main certifications, this one right here, Aspen HYSYS User Certification, and of course, the Aspen HYSYS Expert User Certification. People that is acquainted with the software and are able to build processes, create flow sheets, use unit operations, do some analysis and reporting, very basic result and troubleshooting, and essentially understanding complex unit operations, for instance, distillation model. Now, of course, we all aim for the expert certification, which was a little bit more in-depth understanding of the process modeling simulation software, understanding upstream and midstream applications, Aspen hydraulics, maybe understanding acid gas processes, more real-life scenarios, and understanding their applications, how to fix certain unit operations or lines, or understanding the what-if scenarios, and making a lot of studies. And finally, Aspen has this certification right here. We're talking about the Aspen HYSYS certification for master user. And what I love about this one right here is that they're not focusing in the whole software, rather in certain applications. So for instance, we have petroleum refining or upstream and safety applications. And I'm pretty sure that as time passes by, they're going to be focusing in maybe energy or biomass or plastics or whatever other applications they have. But right now, they have these for petroleum refining and upstream and safety applications. Now, in both cases, you will get the recommendation of attending to this seminar, HYSYS Dynamics, a very basic introductory course to dynamic modeling, which is definitely not an easy approach. The refinery process modeling. This is for the petroleum refining. If you are interested in this type of recommendations, I will for sure recommend you some other programs that may be of help for you. Unfortunately, I haven't worked in Aspen HYSYS software modeling for a long time, so I don't have content for more advanced courses, but if you're into basic or intermediate ones, those are definitely good for you. The certification is not the course or the content per se. It's a exam, a certification exam. So either you get prepared by yourself, by a mentor, by an external course, or directly via Aspen Tech. The main idea is, well, to go and attend this exam. It's a 4-hour long exam. You have multiple choice, which may be theoretical and of course some practical, but more importantly, the lab section. What is lab section? Being able to work with the actual software. The certification lasts for 3 years. There are a total of 72 questions, and you require a 70% for you to get the passing score. What I want to check out is this study guide, but essentially these are the exam scopes. Understanding advanced Aspen HYSYS topics such as dynamic simulation, column convergence, petroleum refining applications, let it be unit operations, or being able to work through a process. And well, essentially 1/3 of the exam is multiple question, and the other 2/3 is the lab task. If you want to deepen your knowledge, these are the technical contents. So yeah, dynamic simulation, stated before, petroleum refining, activated integration, steady state, and sustainability. Now, of course, this is a master level, so I'm pretty sure that you are well acquainted with the theoretical concepts, but also with the practical approach to the software. And finally, guys, how to get the certification exam? Well, simply go to the bottom and you will see the registration for the exam. And well, of course, we have the name of the application, which is essentially the master user certification, and the dates right here, guys. Certification fits your need. For instance, the time, the dates. Click here and register. Ensure that you have a user already registered. Typically, they will ask you for a institutional email, meaning that Gmail, Yahoo accounts or so are not allowed. So ensure to get either a academic or a company email. And eventually just add your coupon and you will see that you are getting the total discount. So yeah, subtotal, the discount is $225, subtotal 0, tax 0, and just click next and you will get further instructions. And there you have it, guys. Definitely go for this certification if you're into process simulation or working as a process engineer in petroleum refining or in the upstream or safety sectors. This is by far one of the best certifications you can get out there. On my behalf, that will be it, guys. If this video brought you some value or saved you some money, please ensure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be creating more content for you in the future. I'll see you in the next video.
Love is clean and love is pure, and love is the thing that no doctor can cure.